So hi friend, this is Amit and here I am going to provide you a roadmap that will give you around 180 plus marks within 5 to 7 days of preparation in AEEE 2024. As you also know, AEEE 2024 exam is going to be conducted soon. So here you will get the complete information how to prepare for this exam in the last days, and this will help you for the next attempt as well. So please try to focus on my word. I will explain each and everything, and also I'm providing the complete mentorship and guidance program. If you want, you can join for that as well. So first of all, let me start with the important chapter subject wise. Then I will cover the process that you need to follow and what are the material that you need to use to in order to get the better result in the AEEE examination. That is, you will feel comfortable while appearing for the examination in AEEE. So first of all, let me start with the chemistry important chapter. So first of all that you need to cover is basic chemical calculation, then atomic structure and periodicity. Thereafter you need to go with chemical bonding, then you need to go with D and F block. And whatever chapter I am not mentioning, that is not so much important, or with whatever chapter that I am mentioning, you will able to get the good result. So in order to get the good result, you have to skip some chapter as well, because if you go for all the chapter, then you may not get the best result, because you will cover everything in little bit and you will end up with getting the negative mark or like this. So please try to focus on my word. Whatever I am telling, try to cover those chapter that will give you maximum marks in the examination. And now if you talk about the next chapter and solid state, thereafter there is chemical kinetics, basic organic chemistry, and then biomolecules and environmental chemistry. So these are the chapter that you need to cover from chemistry. Now let me discuss the process how you will cover. So as AEEE examination is not as tough as JEE Mains or JEE Advanced, so you need to cover the basic detail only and just try to solve some of the questions. So here I would like to inform you in detail about my complete mentorship and guidance program. Once you register, I will provide you chapter wise concept and questions, and also test series, mock test, everything you will get with my guidance, chapter wise question, everything, so that you will be ready for the examination as soon as possible. And also I will be connected to you all the time. Whenever you want, you can contact me for a direct one-to-one session, and also through WhatsApp I will be providing you all the detail. So if you want, you can contact me. There is a nominal charge for that, that is very nominal. In the description box you can get the information regarding contact, and also on the screen you can check, because this is important time. You have prepared from last 2 years. If you will miss this last time trick, then you may not get the good result. And many of you, we are not preparing, you have started preparing for the examination just now, so it will help you a lot. There are already lots of students who are registered with my guidance, they are feeling comfortable. So if you want, you can contact me. There is a nominal charge for that, then only we will proceed. So now if you talk about the next thing, then mathematics, set, relation, function, thereafter permutation and combination, binomial theorem, sequence series, matrices determinant, and probability. Now come to the physics, heat and thermodynamics that you need to cover, and also electrostatics, current, electricity, and magnostatistics. These are the chapter that you need to cover from physics, and some more chapter, heating effect of current and magnetic effect. These are the chapter, and thereafter alternating current and electromagnetic wave. And one that is most important for each and every entrance examination is modern physics that you need to cover for sure. Now you come to math again, differential equation and vector algebra. These are the chapter that you need to cover, and one more chapter from physics, that is oscillation and waves. So these are the chapter that you need to cover from physics and maths also. So for physics you need to cover it in a detail. You can watch one short video, or you can take any reference book, not in more detail, but a little bit detail is required, but because the question will be numerical type mostly and theory based as well. Here NCERT will not work for, in case of chemistry NCERT will work, but here NCERT will not work. You need to take any reference book. And thereafter for mathematics, just practice. You need to solve as much question as possible, so that you will able to solve more question in the examination. So these are the process that you need to cover, and try to get the previous year question or test series, everything, then only you are going to get the good result. Otherwise by covering the book only, you will not able to get the good result. That's why I'm here to provide you the complete guidance and mentorship. Once you register, you will get everything, and on a daily basis I will be providing you the work what you need to do, so that you will able to get the good result. Thanks for watching this video. Please try to subscribe this channel, so that you will be getting everything at the right time in the same channel, and also I will be providing you all the latest update in the same channel. Thank you.